Are high interest rates on your car loan keeping you up at night? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about how to make ends meet? It's a situation far too many people find themselves in, and it's time for a change. Imagine a world where financial worries don't dictate your daily life. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not only achievable, but it's within your reach? That's right. By starting an online business, you can generate residual income and transform your financial landscape. Now, you may be asking, what's this residual income I'm talking about? It's income that keeps coming in even after you've done the initial work. It's the secret that many successful people use to build their wealth. It's money that doesn't stop flowing, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. Starting an online business has its perks. It offers flexibility, freedom, and the potential for significant financial growth. You're not restricted by 9 to 5 hours or a physical location. The world becomes your marketplace. Moreover, the internet has made it simpler than ever to start a business. You don't need a fancy degree or a hefty bank account. All you need is a good idea, a positive attitude, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Think about it. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on high interest rates, you could be investing it in your own online business. You could be building something that not only brings you joy but also generates income, and not just once, but over and over again. But the benefits don't stop there. Running an online business also gives you a sense of accomplishment. You're not just a cog in a machine. You're the creator, the innovator, the entrepreneur. You're in control of your destiny. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. You don't have to have it all figured out from the start. The important thing is to start. So why not take that step today? Why not swap those sleepless nights for dreams of success? Why not trade in those high interest rates for the joy of building something of your own? Starting an online business isn't just about making money. It's about taking control of your life. It's about chasing your dreams. It's about making a difference. So, what are you waiting for? Start your online business today. Create your own success story, generate residual income, and leave those high interest rates behind. The time for change is now. The future is in your hands.